Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of meme coins and a name that's been making some serious waves, James Wynn. You might know him as one of the big players in the meme coin scene, but now he's popped up as a major whale on the Hyperliquid platform. And trust me, he's turning heads by opening positions worth hundreds of millions of dollars. This trader, who goes by James Wynn or Moonpig, on the Hyperliquid Decentralized exchange, has become a super hot topic among investors. So, who is this high-profile trader, and how did he manage to get his finger on the pulse of the market with his opinions and massive plays? Let's find out. The whale who started with PEPE. According to James Wynn himself on Twitter, he was born in a pretty rough town in the UK, a place filled with crime, drugs, and poverty. He says he grew up in some really tough conditions and could barely make ends meet each week. Fast forward to 2022. After getting into the crypto market, Wynn joined a group called the 10U Gods of War. He started by digging through super low-value meme coins until he stumbled upon PEPE on iToken. He decided to take a huge risk and invest heavily in it, and guess what? It paid off big time, netting him tens of millions of dollars in profit. And this success has even been backed up by on-chain reports. Based on his social media, Wynn joined Twitter in 2023, and a lot of his early stuff was all about hyping up PEPE. Back in April 2023, he predicted that PEPE's market cap, which was only $4.2 million at the time, would hit a massive $4.2 billion. A year later, not only did that happen, but by October 2024, PEPE's market cap actually shot past $10 billion. As you can imagine, James Wynn, being one of the biggest PEPE holders, made an absolute killing. Reports say his initial investment was just $7,600, and by April 2024, his profits had blown past $25 million. As you can imagine, James Wynn, being one of the biggest PEPE holders, made an absolute killing. Reports say his initial investment was just $7,600. And by April 2024, his profits had blown past $25 million. And with PEPE's price jumping again, his final profit is probably way over $50 million. A hit to his rep and a change of pace. By 2024, with his PEPE master persona firmly established, Wynn started promoting other meme coins like BAO, Andy, and Wolf. In April 2024, he introduced a token called Elon, and just like PEPE, he pushed it hard. At the same time, though, he was secretly buying up PEPE in a bunch of different wallets. A lot of his followers, trusting his recommendations, jumped in and bought Elon. After the token shot up 100x, Wynn announced that the project was having problems and he was out. This caused Elon's price to crash by 70%, leaving a lot of investors holding the bag. This whole thing really hurt Wynn's reputation, and a lot of people realized that the meme master wasn't as trustworthy as they thought. After that, Wynn started shifting his focus from being a social media promoter to more of an analyst and investor. In the second half of 2024, he started concentrating more on Bitcoin and market analysis, and even changed his Twitter handle from James Wynn, the GOAT, to James Wynn Whale. A $1.2 billion bet with high leverage. In March 2025, James Wynn officially set his sights on the Hyperliquid platform, depositing around $6 million for futures trading. Over the next 2 months, through some super risky trades with high leverage, his profits soared to about $48 million by May 24th. In the past month alone, Wynn's frequent trades and huge capital injections haven't just made him a trend online, but with a monthly profit of $36 million, he's once again shown off his trading skills, or maybe just his incredible luck. What's really interesting is that his trading targets were pretty limited, mostly Bitcoin and a few meme coins, including PEPE, Trump, and Fartcoin. For example, on April 6, 2025, he opened a long position on Bitcoin with an average price of $94,292 and a 40 times leverage. When Bitcoin's price hit $100,000, his unrealized profit hit $5 million. He also made a cool $23 million on a 10x long trade on PEPE. And Trump and Fartcoin tokens brought him in about $5 to $5.57 million and $4.3 to $5.15 million, respectively. As of May 24th, James Wynn's total capital on Hyperliquid was around $55.8 million, while his open interest, OI, position size was a staggering $1.25 billion. That's a leverage ratio of about 22x. This means that a price swing of more than 5% could totally wipe out his entire investment. A look back at his journey, James Wynn's journey in the crypto market, from being a nobody to dominating the meme coin scene and then becoming a high-stakes speculator, is a real rags-to-riches story. And even with his massive wealth, he's still super active on social media. This has definitely worked to his advantage, whether it was his followers pumping up prices during his meme coin days, or now with some traders basing their moves on his. But at the end of the day, James Wynn's success is a mix of spot-on opportunism, boldness, or maybe just extreme risk-taking, and a real talent for self-branding. But his rags-to-riches story leaves us with a big question. Is he a genius with an amazing understanding of the market, or just a really lucky guy who caught the right wave at the right time? Only time will tell. The crypto market has always seen super investors pop up during different cycles. But to really last and become a true icon, the only real test is time. Thanks for watching, guys. Let me know what you think about James Wynn in the comments below. Is he a trading legend or just riding a lucky streak? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more crypto deep dives. See you in the next one.